Get ready for a Paowafol unboxing. I picked up this mini chainsaw off Amazon. It's the brushless version. There's two versions. There's the brushless and the non-brushless. And we're gonna unbox this thing and see what comes up in here. See how powerful this thing really is. I don't know about all that, but let's see what kind of power this powerful chainsaw has. We got some gloves here. We have an oil bottle. We have 2 extra chains, it looks like, and even comes with a screwdriver. And then we have the actual chainsaw, mini chainsaw itself. It's a 6-inch blade. Put that off to the side there, and it comes with 2 batteries. So they're 21 volt, 21V, and it comes with a charger. The batteries do show if they're charged or not, so that's a plus. Just snap in like that. Let's give it a little test. Yep, we got power. If you want to adjust the slack on the chain, there's a little adjustment screw right there. So that's how you would adjust the slack on it. Let's get some chain oil up in here. You got to buy your own oil. Doesn't come with that. But like magic, it's in the bottle. All right, let's oil this thing up. We're gonna cut some stuff. Worked out pretty good, so I recommend if you need a little mini chainsaw and pruners are too small, but a full-size chainsaw is too big, you might want to get one of these mini chainsaws. Thanks for watching. See you next time.